Guys, my name
I'm
is
showing this
Andrew
video
Aurelia.
about
I'm
tree
doing a tree
propagation
propagation now using a
using guava
guava
tree.
tree. I'm using materials like cut, sharp cutter, garden soil, string tie, and small cut step. I'm going to cut the skin of guava tree about 3 inches and peel off the skin.
Peel off the skin.
Step, rubbing small cut of aloe vera leaves to moisturize it. Lastly, I'm going to put the garden soil around the branch and tie it using string tie, and that is the method I use for propagation of guava trees. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.